Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Shake. In this video I will tell you about how to customize your Samsung Galaxy lock screen in One UI 6. So step 1, the most obvious route to customizing your lock screen is through the settings menu. Open up settings, tap lock screen, then tap the edit button on the left side of the illustrated section of the menu about halfway down the following page. There is also a quicker way from the lock screen itself. Just press and hold the lock screen when your phone is locked and then unlock your phone to be taken straight there. Step 2. You don't have to change your lock screen's design in the order we do here. But let's run down all the options you have when making customization. We are starting with the clock. Tap the clock on screen and you be taken to the editing window. Here you can pick a clock style from the white box, a front from the row above that. Resize the clock by dragging its handles and move it around by dragging it from the center. You can also alter the color by using the option at the bottom of the screen. You can select here by yourself or choose the auto A option on the left that will try to match the color to your current background. Step 3. Tap the notification banner or icons to edit them. Samsung lets you choose between two ways of displaying your notification: full banners or icons only, or hide them from the screen altogether. You can also set the transparency of your banners to your liking with the slider. Step 4. There is the option to add some text to the bottom of the lock screen, which you could use to give details of how to return to the phone if it's found, but you can't put any other message you fancy. Just tap the contact information box in the bottom center and type it out. Step 5. The two press and hold shortcuts that live in the bottom corners of the lock screen can be swapped out to one of several basic functions or a shortcut to any of your installed apps. Just tap either shortcut to edit it. Note that the standard shortcuts will work straight from the lock screen, while the app shortcut requires you to unlock the phone before zipping you into that app. Now step 6. Last but not least, you can change the background of your lock screen. Tap the wallpaper button in the top left corner and you can pick one of Samsung's presets or use one of your own photos. Step 7. When you are happy with the look of your new lock screen, tap done in the top right to save it.